In this After Effects tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a really cool text animation, which you just see right now on the screen. So for making this, you don't need any knowledge about the JavaScript and all the stuff. It's just After Effects and itself. So I'm Jeffrey Solomon, and without any further ado, let's get started. So now you can see that I'm going to make a new composition. I'm going to name the composition as main. It's just a 1080p composition. Hit OK. And now you can see that we have got a blank composition right over here. So I'm going to make a new solid. So right click and go to new and click solid. So now grab on the text tool and type your text. So once you type your text, go to the align tab and align it to the center and position the anchor point to the center of the text by clicking Ctrl Alt and Home. I'm using the font Made Tommy. If you want, I'll put a link in the description. You can go and check it out. So once you're done with the text, we're going to make a mask. So select the text layer and you can see the rectangle tool over here. Select it and make a mask just like so. Just like that. Perfect. So now once you made the mask, go to the Effects and Presets tab, and if you don't find this, go to Window and checkbox this. Go to the Effects and Presets tab and search for the preset called Text Bounce, and you're going to get it under the Expressions tab. Drag the Text Bounce effect, and that is a preset, and put it right in the text layer. So now you're going to get something like that. Select the text layer, go to the Effects and Controls tab, and you could see the bounce frequency, the bounce character delay, the bounce decay, bounce start. We don't need to change everything. Just go to bounce decay and change the slider to 15. There you go. So now you're going to get something like that. So that's simple and so easy to make. So now you could see that it's not that much smooth. So what I'll go back to the projects tab and right click and go to composition settings and change the frame rate to 60 frames per second. So you could find this a little more smoother and softer, just as you see right now. So now you could see that we have only a open animation, and it's cool, but we don't have a end animation, so it's just simple and it's not that much good, and we don't want it to be just like that. We want a close animation to it. So what I'm going to do is right click the text layer and pre-compose it. So I'm just going to rename it. I'm going to name it as the text. Hit OK, and you could see that when we actually go into the layer, go to the composition, we got the text just like so. Go back to the main composition and select the composition, right click, and you could see the time option over here, and just hover over the time option and you can see the enable time remapping. So click over here. So now you could see that we have got two keyframes right over here and right over here. So what you need to do is when the animation kind of stops or ends right over here, maybe like 2 seconds, put a keyframe in the time remap and go to the end of and you could see the last keyframe over here. Just click it and click delete. So now you could see that we have got something like that, just like so. So now select both the keyframes, Ctrl C to copy it, and maybe like I'll just leave 2 seconds over here and Ctrl V to paste it, and right click on the keyframes, go to keyframe assistant and click time reverse keyframes. So once when animation starts and ends, and you're gonna get 2 seconds delay, and right over here it actually goes up. So that's it guys for today, and if you guys like the text animation video, please make sure to hit the like button along with the subscribe button, and please stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching, bye and take care.